A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss first chapter of physics, physical measurement and physical quantities and measurements. Okay. From the topic, first question comes in our mind: what are physical quantities? What are physical quantities? Physical quantities like length, mass, time, temperature are known as the physical quantity. Okay. And we define the physical quantity in some units. We define the physical quantity in some units like length. Like length, we define the length. We measure the length in meters. We measure the length in meters. And symbol of meter is small m. What is the symbol of meter is small m. In the similar way, we measure the mass, mean weight in kilogram. And we write the kilogram like that. And what is the symbol of kilogram? kg. Okay. If we measure, suppose what is my weight? My weight is 70 kilogram. What is my mass? 70 kilogram. Then I will write 70 kilogram. Here kilogram is the symbol. Here kilogram are the units of measurement of mass. Okay. In the similar way, time. We measure the time in seconds. We measure the time in seconds, minutes and hours. Okay. We measure the time in seconds, minutes and hours. Okay. Mostly we measure the time in seconds. And what is the symbol of seconds? Small s. What is the symbol of second? Small s. Here second is the unit of measurement of time. In the similar way, temperature. We measure the temperature in degree Celsius. We measure the temperature in degree Celsius. Here temperature is the physical quantity and degree Celsius is the unit of measurement. Okay. Suppose our human body temperature. What is the normal temperature of human body is normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. What is 37 degrees Celsius? Okay. In India, mostly we measure the temperature in degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit. Okay. Or we can write degree Celsius into 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Here 37. 98 is the numeric value of temperature and degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit are the measurements. We can say units of measurement of temperature. Okay. In the similar way, you always use physical quantities and measurement in your daily life also. Suppose if you are buying the orange from the fruit shop, then you will buy the orange in kg. Okay. You are buying the orange from the fruit shop, you will buy the orange in kg. Suppose you bought the orange 2 kg. You bought the orange 2 kg. Okay. Here orange is the physical quantity. Okay. Orange is the physical quantity. We can say we always buy the orange by the mass, by its weight. Okay. And we measure the weight in kilogram, gram, kilogram, etc. So what is the unit of measurement of mass is kg. That's why we will write kg after numeric value. Okay. In the similar way, if you buy the clothes, okay, we measure the clothes in meters. We measure the clothes in meters. Okay. Then you will buy the clothes in, suppose, 5 meter. 5 meter. Okay. You bought the cloth 5 meter. Okay. Now here clothes. What is the physical quantity of clothes? Length. What is the physical quantity of cloth? Length. Okay. We measure the clothes in by length. And what are the units of measurement of cloth is meter. What are the units of measurement of clothes is meter. Okay. In the similar way, in daily life we buy the milk, oil, fruits, bananas. Okay. In our daily life we units of measurement for different quantities. Okay, like length, we have done the length, mass, time, temperature. These are the physical quantities, and these are the meter, kilogram, second, degree Celsius are the its units of measurement. In this chapter, we will discuss different physical quantities which we use in our daily life and their units of measurement. Now we are going to discuss SI system of units. Now we are going to discuss SI system of units. What is the meaning of SI system of units? International system of units. To avoid any confusion about the measurement, different countries have organized, you can say, divide an organization which is known as General Conference of Weights and Measurements. Different countries combine and make up one organization which is known as General Conference of Weights and Measures. It is organized in 1960. When it is organized in 1960. Why this one conference has made? To avoid the confusion about measurements. So they have devised the three SI system of units. Okay, like CGS system, MKS system, FPS system. Different countries use different type of system of measurement. To avoid the confusion, they have made CGS, MKS, FPS, and these system of units are interconvertible. These system of units are interconvertible. As we know, in India, mostly we measure the length in meter, weight in kilogram, time in second, and we have also seen in the United Nations, in America, mostly length is measured in foot, weight is measured in pound, and time is measured in second. Okay, in different countries, these are known as SI unit, mean International System of Units. What are the SI unit of length in India? Meter. What is the SI unit of length in India? Meter. SI unit of weight in India? Kilogram. SI unit of weight in kilogram is kilogram, and SI unit of time is second. Okay, and we can write one physical quantity in different types of SI system. We can write one physical quantity in different type of SI system, like 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter. I have written the length in 1 meter. I have written length 1 meter. It means it is in the MKS system. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If I want to write the 1 meter into CG system, then I have to define the length in centimeter. As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 100 centimeter. What will be the 1 meter length in CG system? 100 centimeter. What will be the length in CG system? 100 centimeter, because we define the length in CG system in centimeter and MKS in meter. In the similar way, if I want to write the length in foot in the FPS system, what is the meaning of FPS? Foot, pound, second. Okay, foot, pound, second. Length, mass, and time. These are the basic unit of measurement. Length, mass, and time. These are the basic unit of measurement. Okay, if I want to write the length in FPS system, then how I will write? As we know, 1 meter is equal to about 2.5 feet. 1 meter is about equal 2.5. Approximate, we will write approximate 2.5 feet. Okay. So we can define one physical quantity into different system of measurements, into different system of measurements. Why we have made the SI units? To avoid the confusion of measurement in between the different countries. Okay, who has made this one SI system of units? General Conference of Weights and Measurement. Who has made General Conference of Weights and Measurement? When it is organized in 1960. Okay, why it is made? To avoid the confusion about weights and measurement. To avoid the confusion about weights and measurements. Okay.